What's happening, guys? Mike Moo here. I love the Osmo Pocket. This is one of the literal everyday carry type items that I have in my Peak Design Tech pouch. But there is a problem with this. There's no simple, great way to go ahead and mount it on a tripod until I found this is the Polar Pro Osmo Pocket tripod mount. As you can see, it is of course made specifically for the DJI Osmo Pocket, and it comes in this nice little cool looking case. It has featured dual 1/4 20-inch mounts. It allows you to mount it on your tripod or add a microphone to increase production value, which is really good. And it's also compatible with the Osmo Pocket controller wheel and accessory mount. Unfortunately, there's something that they don't mention here, and that is that this does not work well when you also have the Wi-Fi base. So that's something you're going to do. You're going to remotely control it. This isn't going to work for you, so that's a little bit unfortunate. Okay, so as we can see here, this is made of plastic, but it is not a brittle type of plastic. As you see, there's a good amount of give on there. That was something that I was a bit concerned about when I was looking at this, but naturally they would design it well enough that this has enough flex that allows you to go ahead and not worry about it completely getting crushed if you just handle it by mistake. All right, so it looks like this. We'll then go ahead and mount in, slide in like so. You're supposed to slide in, no. All right, so maybe I need to take this off first and then slide this on through like so. And then I can still use this piece right over here, which is good. And then now this will then lock that tight. Just lock it down. Okay. So looks like that's that. So you got the regular tripod mount down below that you can go ahead and use to attach to a different tripod or whatever accessory that you like. And then on the side, you can go ahead and attach things like a microphone, which is advised, or if you need any other video light, looks like it will go ahead and fit right on over there. I gotta say, I like the finish of this a lot. It feels a little bit velvety. It's smooth, definitely feels like a quality type of item that we have here. And overall, it's very well done, very lightweight. Now, the problem I have with this is that, and this is true with the Osmo Pocket, is that with every single accessory that we keep adding on here to make it do more and more and more, at some point, it's just going to be a little bit too much. And then you have to wonder, wouldn't it be better if I got something that had everything all in one to begin with? Case in point is this. So let's say I have this right now, and I do, and I want to put it away. Now I need like a gimbal, some sort of protecting thing, because now this will not fit the original case, because how could it? There's just no way. It just doesn't fit. So if you're going to go into the ecosystem, you're going to have to go and get some other items that are best compatible with this. So you can see this is freely mounted. Polar Pro actually has a whole protective clip thing that you can go ahead and attach on here, but that costs, you know, extra money. I think it's about $15, $20 or something like that. This itself was $24.99 to $29.99 depending on where you find it. So you're just going to add on more and more accessories until you get to the point where you kind of wonder, well, this really isn't very pocketable anymore. So if you're going to get this, I recommend getting some sort of gimbal type of protector for the head and also to protect the lens when you have it put away, because then this becomes practically completely useless. And then you have the issue of at the bottom where if you want to have the Wi-Fi base and remote control mounted on a tripod, this isn't going to do it for you. This is very specifically designed though easily so that you can easily take it in and out. You can just slide that in and out, but this takes up further space as well. So it's going to be kind of like one of those things where if I get this, I'm going to have to get the gimbal mount for it as well, the gimbal head protector as well, in order to make the best use out of it. But for what it is very well designed, and it suffices to do everything that you want to do, including sticking on a separate control wheel, and also the compatible with the Osmo Pocket controller wheel, and then the accessory mount that they have also sold for this separately. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Polar Pro. This looks like it's really quality item. You got brass and stuff for the mounts. It looks pretty well done. If there are any changes in this, I'll definitely be updating this first look review. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.